Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. It helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we have Taco Bell Enchiladas. At least that's what I'm calling them. All right, to a pot, we're going to be adding 6 tablespoons of butter that we melted up. And then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour, and we're going to be making a roux. And we want this fairly dark and fairly chunky. Okay, once it reaches that consistency, time to add our spices, which consists of 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. And then we want to add 3 cups of chicken broth. After we stirred our spice mix into our roux. And then we want to add 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Then we want to give this a nice little stir around. And then we want to cook this over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired level of thickness. Okay, as you can see here, I got 2 pounds of ground beef that I cooked up, and then I added 2 packets of the Taco Bell taco seasoning. Now we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of water. Mix all this around, and then just let this simmer till most of the liquid is evaporated, and we'll be ready for the next step with our Taco Bell enchiladas. Okie dokie, let's assemble our enchiladas. We have our nice tortilla shell here. Gonna add just a little bit of that taco meat. Then we're gonna add some cheese. And then just roll it up. These are really simple enchiladas. And then we got our little enchilada things all rolled up into a baking dish. I got the oven preheated at 350. We're just going to douse this with some cheese. And then a good amount of that enchilada sauce we made. Just pour it over and then kind of spread it around. Make sure everything gets evenly coated. Then you want to sprinkle a nice little layer of pepper jack cheese on it. And then pop this in the oven for about, 20 minutes, or until everything's ooey gooey and melted together and all nice and wonderful. And after 20 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. Let's give this a chance to cool down and set up, and then we'll dig right in. All right, as you can see here, we got our enchilada all ready to go to be devoured. And that's really it. So that's Taco Bell enchiladas. Done. Oh, and it goes without saying, they were delicious.